Hold on a second. All right. I'm ready. All right. Chopped up Sublime, I guess, right?
Yep.
Stolen from Africa land, chased out with a knife, with a face like Bob Marley and a mouth like a motorbike. Oh well, the bars are always open, the time is always right, and if that good word goes unspoken, the music goes all night, and it goes. If I were from Marley, I'd be good, you'd be loved. If I was half finer with my Lord up above, and if I was Mike Tyson, I would look for a fight. If I was the poop around, I would be staying up all night, and if I was the king of rock, I would get stupid up. With rhymes with volumes, I'd be comfortably known. Hey, if I had a shotgun, tell me what I'd do. Well, I point that shit straight at the sky and shoot heaven on down to you. Because the bars are always open, the time is always right, and if that good word goes unspoken, the music goes on night, and it goes. Want a lover, I can't find the time. Want a reason, but I can't stand a rhyme, and I wanna start some static, but I can't afford. Bruised up on my knees when I fall off my skateboard. Say nowadays it's clear as you please. Strapped with protection or strapped with disease.